Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm new here, so you are too, of course. I just wanted to say welcome. I'm just going to show you the things here that I use to make wristlet keychains. As you know, they are a very popular and trendy item in social media right now. And I've spent quite a little bit of time doing it, and I've found that I really enjoy it. So I just want to show you here how it's done, how I do it. Some people you may see using what they call a loop turner, which is a long metal looking type thing, and it's very thin and it has like a little hook on the end of it, and you can slide your beads down that and then put more on that and then slide them all down and transfer them down to your cord. But for the sake of video, I just want to show you that you can do this without a loop turner, and sometimes it's actually easier. Now for my nylon that I use, I love to use the nylon better than the elastic and stretchy cord for wristlets, just because the nylon does hold its shape better and you can get a tighter knot when you are tying your wristlet up. The elastic is going to stretch and it's not going to hold its shape. So get nylon if you're going to make wristlets. You want them because they have a lot more strength in them, and it will not fall apart on you or snap because of the weight of the beads and the keys and stuff. When you add them on there, it's going to add weight. So just remember that when you are making wristlets, do not use stretchy string. I get my nylon cord at Amazon. I use the 1.5 millimeter. I found that it works best for me. I've tried the 2 and it's just too bulky when you're tying the knot. I've also tried the 1 millimeter cord, and I do love the thinness of it, but I have found that some of the brands that I have bought, they will snap. So I just find that the 1.5 millimeter nylon cord works best for me. It makes it easier when you are tying it off and getting that secure tight knot that you want, and it will actually pull through the beads better. Just an FYI for you to help you. So now I'm just going to see if I can get the wristlet over my hand to make sure that it fits. Now, whenever I'm tying my knot, a lot of people use knot grippers, and I do have a pair, but I have found it much easier for me just to use my pliers. I can get a very tight grip on that cord with my pliers. And dealing with the knot grippers, it's just time consuming because you have to tie 2 knots in the end of your cord and then put it in the knot grippers, the little slit in them, and then tie it up and roll it up and then pull and then untie it. It's just easier for me, and I found that I like using my pliers so much better. And it pulls really tight. Just a little FYI for you. As I see people buying those knot grippers like crazy. And for me, they're not that great. Now here I'm just cutting off the excess cord, and I'm going to use this butane torch lighter to secure that cord, just to make sure that it stays secure and that it doesn't come apart and fall back through the beads. And then we have a finished wristlet. I thank you guys for joining me and for sticking around and watching this. I hope that this helped you in some way, and I'll see you next video. Bye.